Hi everyone, this is Devraj Agarwal. Welcome to my video on how to import data from MySQL into Excel using Power Query. First, we need to create an ODBC connection to MySQL database. For this, we must have MySQL ODBC connector installed. If you don't have it, you can download it from MySQL website. Launch ODBC application. Click on System DSN and then on Add button. Select MySQL driver and click Finish. Enter a data source name to identify the connection. The description is optional. For server, we are using localhost. For user and password, we will use the credentials of a user who has access to the MySQL database. For database, we will use testDB, the database to which we will be connecting to. Click Test to check if the connection is good. Click OK. Next, launch MySQL Workbench to view the data that we are going to import. In my previous video, how to import CSV data into MySQL table, I had loaded data into car sales table. We are going to use the same table here. We have 5 fields in this table: car manufacturer, model, numbers of units sold, vehicle type, and revenue. Now launch Excel application. Click on Data tab, then Get Data from Other Sources and select from ODBC. Select testDB data source from the drop-down and click OK. Expand testDB and select table car sales. It displays the data from the table on the right panel. If you need to make any change to the data, you can do so by clicking Transform Data. Here we have revenue field for which we don't want to import. So let's click on Transform Data. Select Revenue column and click Remove Columns. The panel on the right shows how all the steps are performed. You can delete a step if you would like to revert the action. Here we can delete the Remove Column step, which brings back the revenue column. Let's remove it again. We are going to sort the data by sales in ascending order also. Power Query has many powerful features which you may want to look into. For this video, we simply want to load the data, so click on Close and Load. Data from table car sales is now imported into the worksheet. We are done with importing the data. Now we want to add a feature such that if the data in MySQL table is changed, the data in the worksheet is updated too. Make sure a cell in the table is selected. Now click on Data tab, then Properties, and click on the icon to the right. Select the checkbox to refresh and change the time to 1 minute so that we can see the data being refreshed. Click OK and then OK again. Now go to the workbench and insert a record in car sales table. Click on the sales column to sort and see if the data is in the table. Now we go back to our worksheet. It shows up in the worksheet since we had set it to refresh every minute. Hope this helps you. Thank you.